Welcome to my review of the Park Hyatt Chicago. You may have heard of the old joke of having a face for radio. Well, I probably have a voice for print. So I'll keep the talking to a minimum and let the video speak for itself. I visited the Park Hyatt Chicago in March of 2023. The lobby is a bit on the small side and rather dimly lit, but check-in was a breeze and I was shortly on my way to the one king bed Lake View Deluxe. The hotel rooms were completely remodeled in 2022, and I think it looks great. It's very bright, the bedroom area has high ceilings, and there's plenty of light from the huge windows. The bathroom is also very nice. The shower allows for both rainfall and the wand at the same time, and has excellent water pressure. The push-button actuation for the water fixtures works great. It's a nice touch. If you need bath salts, the Park Hyatt has you covered. The bathroom has a view to the window, and a sliding wall is provided if you want additional privacy. Like most Hyatt properties, there's Chromecast available. The other technology in the room works great as well. Light controls are at convenient locations throughout, and there's even automatic shades. There's a lot to like about the Park Hyatt Chicago. It's an excellent location, and if you get a room on the lake side, the higher floors have an unencumbered view of the water. I encountered very friendly staff throughout. The technology in the room is good, and it all works, which you'd expect with it only being a few months old. There's high quality materials, and in my opinion, it's a good room layout. Like most Hyatts, I found the bed to be very comfortable with nice pillows, and a plus for me, the Hyatt Globalist recognition was great, and overall I encountered no issues whatsoever. The main downside that I noticed was the road noise. There's a fire station just across the street, and there are fairly regular sirens. This is just my opinion, but I found the atmosphere to be a bit stuffy. It wouldn't be the type of place I'd ever feel relaxed if I had my small kids with me. The hotel is also very expensive. There is no shortage of great hotels in Chicago, and most of them are quite a bit cheaper. I really enjoyed my stay at the Park Hyatt Chicago, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.